No, I will be showing you how to make a paper bag. Dangerous paper bags. So I will be showing you how to make a paper bag with 2 pieces of paper and a pencil and some scissors. This is all you need. So first, you're going to want to draw out the size that you want your bag to be. So if you want a big bag, make a big bag. If you want a small bag, then make a small bag. And there. I made my bag right here. I made my bag right there. That's my bag so far. Alright. And now I will show you the effects. Alright, so are you ready? Soon I'm going to cut this out, but for now, I'm going to make some little things for my paper bag. And you're going to need 2 of these, so that's why I have 2 pieces of paper. And here I'm going to draw one with, I'll start from over here. Yeah. Now we're moving over here. There. And then over, make them even, over, there. That's as even as I can get. And then you're going to want to cut them out. And if you have a whole lot of space, because yours isn't good, that's perfect. Because yours is small, that's perfect. And I'm just going to cut this out. All right. So here I come. Hard, complicated. You're gonna see that I'm not a very good cutter. So yeah. It's so bad, it's like the baby cutting its first artwork ever. Alright, so I'm erasing it. I'm erasing the line. And right here. Very tricky. No. This is hard. Hard work. Complicated work. this is what I have so far. This thing, but we're going to put it on like this because as you see, I erased like a little thing right there. Not that good. And I gotta go get my paper. So I'll be back. Here's my paper. Alright, now I just gotta cut this out. Purple paper, purple scissors. They match perfectly. So hard. So much hard work. Cut. This one's going to be a lot smaller. A lot smaller. Alright, now cut and a cut and a cut and a snip. Cut and a snip. And snip across. So hard. Before and get. I cut this out. And I cut this out. Now we're going to put them on each other. And we're going to make them both the same size now. So I'm going to make the teeniest paper bag ever. And I don't know what I'm doing. Here. Alright, now what we need the extras for. The very important part. I'm pretty sure the very important part is glue. Which everyone is trying to buy in the stores. Glue, 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 glue. That's the very important item here. And it's glue. Alright. There. Look. Look down. Alright, so I'm just going to cut off these little extras. So do you see right now, we have this like big strip. You're going to want to cut this into a few. Like that. And like that. Like that. They don't have to be even. They just gotta be strips. And make sure they're small and skinny. Now I want to end the strip. Alright, I'll just say that this is all one strip on this side. It does not look, but on this side it is. One strip. And then it's time to cut out the strip. That's what time is now. Cut on the line. 3 lines, but you only need is 2. Like that. And then you're gonna want, you're not gonna want, but if you do, you can cut out another color. And then you would have 2 strips of each color. And then you're gonna wanna get some glue. And that part will come in a few minutes. Goodbye.